मला माहितीच आहे.
आणि यानंतर थेट जातो राहुल गांधींच्या पत्रकार परिषदेत.
Good morning. Yesterday, the defense minister made a statement in both houses about the situation on the border in Ladakh with China. There are a couple of things that need to be made absolutely crystal clear. The first thing is that the Indian government's position at the beginning of this was status quo ante on April 2020. That is what the government was negotiating for. Now, sheepishly, the defense minister comes and makes a statement. And we find that Indian troops are now going to be stationed at Finger 3. Finger 4 is our territory. That is where our post used to be. So now we have moved from Finger 4 to Finger 3. Why has Prime Minister Modi given up Indian territory to the Chinese? This is the question that needs to be answered by him and by the defense minister, first. Second, why have Indian troops, after the hard work that they did, capturing Kailash plains, ranges, why have they been asked to move back? What has India got in return for this? And most importantly, the more important strategic area, Depsang Plains. Why have the Chinese not moved back? These are the real questions. Why have they not withdrawn from Gogra and Hot Springs? It's a very clear thing that has happened. The Prime Minister of India has given Indian territory to China. हिंदुस्तान की जमीन, पवित्र जमीन, नरेंद्र मोदी ने चाइना को पकड़ाई है. यह सच्चाई है. हिंदी. हिंदुस्तान की सरकार की निगोशिएटिंग पोजीशन चाइना के साथ स्टेटस को एंटी 2020, अप्रैल 2020. उसको सरकार भूल गई, उसको छोड़ दिया, उसको फेंक दिया. चाइना के सामने नरेंद्र मोदी ने अपना सिर झुका दिया, मत्था टेक दिया. हमारी जमीन फिंगर 4 तक है. नरेंद्र मोदी ने फिंगर 3 से फिंगर 4 की जमीन, जो हिंदुस्तान की पवित्र जमीन है, वो चाइना को पकड़ा दी है. यह पहली बात है. दूसरी बात, जो स्ट्रेटेजिक एरिया है डेप्सांग प्लेन्स का, जहां चाइना अंदर आया है, उसके बारे में एक शब्द नहीं बोला डिफेंस मिनिस्टर ने. वहां बैठे हुए हैं. गोगरा और हॉट स्प्रिंग्स के बारे में एक शब्द नहीं बोला, वहां बैठे हुए हैं. सच्चाई यह है कि हमारी जो पवित्र जमीन है नरेंद्र मोदी ने चाइना को दी है. यह सवाल है, इसका जवाब दें. अब आपके कोई सवाल हो, पूछिए. Look, let's get it straight. First of all, there was no strategic advantage. The Chinese were in our land. The Chinese were in Depsang, they were in Pangong. Our soldiers risked everything they had go to Kailash ranges. That's where the strategic advantage, if any, arose. Now the Prime Minister has given back the land. Status quo ante is irrelevant. Kailash has been given back. And nothing has happened on the key area which China wants, Depsang Plains. This is absolute 100% cowardice. This is nothing else. The Prime Minister is a coward who cannot stand up to the Chinese. That's the fact. And he is spitting on the sacrifice of our army. That's what he's doing. He's betraying the sacrifice of our army. And nobody in India should be allowed to do it. Nobody in the rest of the world should be allowed to do it. That is the fact. And yesterday the defense minister is giving a little statement, silently, sheepishly. Why didn't the Prime Minister come and say this? Why is he making the defense minister make this statement? Prime Minister should say, I have given Indian land to China. This is the truth.
Thank you, sir. Siddharth from ANI.
नहीं सॉरी, आप किस पे जवाब पूछ रहे हैं? मैं अभी जो बोला हूं, आपको लगता है सवाल मिला मुझे? देखिए, सवाल ये है, हिंदुस्तान की जमीन है, नरेंद्र मोदी ने हिंदुस्तान की जमीन चाइना को दी है, ये सवाल है।